Welcome to my channel, Healthy Lifestyle A to Z. This is Letty Smith. Today's recipe, it's going to be how to prepare cactus salad. You can eat it as a side dish, or you can make tacos with some tortillas, and they taste really good. But if you're trying to maintain your silhouette, then you need to avoid the tortillas. Here's a list of ingredients. This is for 4 to 6 portions. You're going to get 1.5 pounds of cactus. I bought it in a bag and they already removed the spines. This is like 5 medium cactus, and if you chop them, it should be 3 cups. Half onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped. I removed the seeds. 1 bunch of cilantro chopped. Serrano pepper. If you want it very spicy, then leave the veins and the seeds, but if you don't and you just need the flavor, remove the seeds and the veins, and you can put as much as you want. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half lemon squeezed. 1 avocado. I recommend when you put avocado, just put a little bit of salt on top of it. And the tortillas are optional. You can eat this salad as a side dish. When you buy them, make sure they're clean because they have like spines, and you don't want to eat them with the spines. You want them totally shaved. I cooked the nopales with the cactus, and it's really good. I didn't like them very much when I was younger, but of course when you're young you don't like a lot of stuff. They used to make them at my parents' house. Boil your cactus. What I'm gonna do, this is a nopal. It's called nopal or cactus. And you can prepare it different ways. One, I'm gonna make a salad. But I need to cook it first or boil it. I got a casserole, started to boil the water, and while it was boiling, I was cutting my cactus in pieces, little squares. The cactus is kind of slimy, but you can remove that by boiling it. I will eat them grilled, and what I did is I will cut them along like a horizontal, but not all the way up. So you have like some strings. I will put Maggi sauce, Worcestershire, lemon, salt, pepper, and I will grill them. And the taste was amazing, and they're not slimy at all. Once you cut all of your cactus in pieces, you're going to cook them for 30 minutes until they're tender. Add some salt and a pinch of sodium bicarbonate. You need to keep an eye on it because when it starts boiling with the sodium bicarbonate, it's going to spill all over. So you need to be very careful and put it like on a medium to low heat. Once they're cooked, you're going to rinse them very well with cold water. And you're going to notice, if they're slimy or not. So just shake them, move them, and rinse them. Now you're going to chop your onion. Very fine. Set it apart. Chop your cilantro that you already washed. Just chop it. Chop the tomatoes. You can remove the seeds. You can also remove the skin if you want. You just put some boiling water. You just dip it in the water like, geez, no more than 1 minute. And then you can peel them. Because you don't want it cooked. So this is like making a pico de gallo. You know, tomatoes, onions. And then you have serrano peppers. But what I do is I remove the veins and the seeds because if not it's super hot, and I just wanted to have like the flavor, but I don't want it spicy. And if you do that, you need to wash your hands very well, because if you don't and you grab your eyes, your nose, your mouth, it's gonna burn. So you need to wash your hands very well after handling the serrano pepper. Mix everything. Start by adding your nopales, then add the tomatoes, the onion, cilantro. You already added the serrano pepper with the tomatoes. Mix everything. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix again. Squeeze a lemon. Add olive oil. Mix. And your cactus salad is ready. I like the colors. You can add like feta cheese if you want. I made a taco. You can add more sauce. I added some avocado. And when I use avocado, I put a little bit of salt on top of it. It makes a huge difference. Just a little bit. And it's ready. I invite you to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time.